You ever hear a theory so wild it makes you double check whether reality installed a chip overnight? Because today we're talking about a version of Earth that runs on retro video game physics. Let's explore this. Hello there, welcome back to Star Stuff, where we speak about space things without the crazy science jargon that makes you tune out halfway through a sentence. Okay, cool. Did you guys know about this Pac-Man Earth theory? Let me know in the comments because I'd like to tally up some random information. Here's the claim. If you travel far enough east past Australia, you don't keep going, you pop out near South America. Yes, like Pac-Man. We've officially upgraded geography to 1980. Let's look at where this came from. To be fair, it didn't just appear out of nowhere. It came from a very real problem for flat Earth maps. So the most common flat Earth map, which is the azimuthal equidistant projection, completely breaks the southern hemisphere. Distances are wrong, Australia looks like it's trying to do Pilates, flights look like airlines are freelancing. So when reality doesn't match the map, you don't fix the map, you add a teleportation trick. This is where things evolve, because some creators, like Ronnie and Jason, looked at the broken map and said, no, we need something better. Enter the SPVR model and their custom creation, the map of the elect. Okay, so SBVR, described as simulation-based virtual reality, or looping Earth model, basically says the Earth isn't a globe, it's not a flat disk either, it's more like a tiled repeating plane. So they still believe that the Earth is flat and stationary. If you travel far enough, you don't hit the edge, you just reappear on the other side. So instead of a round Earth explaining circumnavigation, we have a flat Earth, but reality respawns you. To be clear, this is an attempt to fix real issues, like the southern hemisphere distances, flight paths, the 24-hour sun in Antarctica, and general why doesn't anything line up problems. So the map of the elect tries to resize continents, rearrange geography, and make routes look more reasonable. But there's a catch. Actually, several. Let's look at problem number 1. Planes don't disappear mid-flight. Flights from Australia to South America are tracked continuously. There's no jumps, no loading zones, no pilots saying, please fasten your seatbelts as we enter the respawn corridor. There is no proof of teleportation. There is zero observational or navigational data showing that planes, ships, or satellites instantaneously zap across thousands of miles of hidden boundaries. If you find some, show me. Otherwise, deal with being wrong. Problem number 2. GPS tracks in real time. GPS relies on consistent geometry. Global positioning systems rely on a network of physical satellites orbiting a spherical mass in distinct 3D paths governed by central gravity, not a flat plane with screen edge portals. Okay? Problem number 3. Time zones change gradually as you travel. In this portal world, you'll get sudden jumps, and that doesn't happen. Problem number 4. The sky would glitch. The night sky is one of the cleanest tests. Observers in the northern and southern hemisphere see completely different star rotation patterns, circumnavigating different celestial poles, which is impossible on a flat Earth with a single wrapping mechanism. In reality, stars move smoothly. Constellations shift predictably. In a looping or tiled Earth, you'd get discontinuities, and astronomy would look like a buffering video. Can we talk about gravity? This flat Earth, or any flat Earth, doesn't have a uniform center of gravity pulling down toward the center of the plane as a sphere does, meaning the physical forces described by this model violate basic planetary science. Just saying. Now here's where it all falls apart. Many of the successful predictions from SPVR-style models come from globe-based calculations. So the process becomes use globe math to get the answer plotted on a custom flat map and then claim the flat map explains it. Essentially, that's just borrowing the answers and changing the diagram. So is it really its own model? Let's look at what it really is. Pac-Man Earth, SPVR, the map of the elect. They're all trying to solve the same problem. Flat Earth maps don't match reality. So instead of one consistent system, you get patches. Wrapping edges, infinite tiling, simulation explanations, each one added after something breaks. Let's simplify this further. The globe Earth is one shape, one geometry, and explains everything consistently. The Pac-Man Earth / SBVR, yes, I'm grouping them together, has multiple rules, hidden transitions, and reality occasionally behaving like a video game. So if your model of Earth needs teleportation, map wrapping, and borrowed mathematics from the thing you're trying to disprove, you're just debugging reality, not explaining it. And at this point, we're not doing science anymore. Let's be honest. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to support the channel further, you can join to become a member. I will see you again soon. Cool beans.